All right, let's view requirements for admission into studying economics. So, undergraduate. So we go from this apply for admission, apply for an undergraduate program. You click on that, and it opens this form. It teaches you the processes to follow and what a brief of what you are required. That English and mathematics are both compulsory. So, which faculty is that should be social sciences? Then you go to social sciences. Nobody's holding you for this. You can go to, if you don't know a particular faculty for a particular program, you can go through all of them until you find the one you need. So on mobile phone, this is how it will look. On mobile phone, look at this. Can you see this? Then your program, the faculties will come at the top. Then the form you will fill will then appear below here. The form you want to fill, will be required to fill, will appear below. So you click on that Faculty of Social Sciences, wait for it. On your mobile phone, this is how it will look. Look at the menu here. This is the menu button. So you go down here after the faculties, look at the form. Faculty of Social Sciences, the form appears. The view requirement is unavailable. This is the mouse symbol for unavailable. At that moment, you cannot view the requirement until you select the program and the level. At the bottom of the form, scroll down at the bottom of the form, click on select this program, then economics. You can see other courses that are related to that are under that faculty of social sciences, where you see mass communication, political sciences, and all that. Then you will have to select the course you want to, select the level, the entry level. Look at that, it becomes active. It's very sensitive. So you click on view requirement, wait for some moment. Okay, it's out already. Look at this. It tells you that you need 5 credits in 5 subjects, which must include economics, English, mathematics. Then the other 2 would come from any other relevant subject you studied at your O level. This is very simple. That's just what is required for this course. Then you say, okay, and that's on mobile. On your computer, it's very simple. Look at that. It opens everything for you. The faculty by the left here, the form itself to fill here at the center, and then at the right, you see the programs that are available under social sciences. If you click on sciences, it will also list the courses that are available under sciences. These are the programs under sciences. You see computer science, information technology, environmental management, environmental management and toxicology, and so on. Under faculty of management sciences, you have to scroll down. We have business administration. So you go down to business administration, select, go down to program, select a program and level, view requirements, and that's it. It tells you that you need English and Maths and any other relevant 3 subjects. Let's go for sciences. Click on sciences. Programs that are available under the Faculty of Sciences will appear here. Look at them: computer science, mathematics, physics. So you have to scroll down here in the program list. You select one. Let's say physics level. Select 100. Click on view requirements. There you go. If you want to study physics, you're required to credit chemistry, physics, English and mathematics, and any other one, probably biology. So it's that simple to check requirements. These are what you need. And the same thing is applicable to other programs. Let's look into, let's say PGD, a PGD program. Go back to home. Let's say apply for a PGD program, postgraduate. Here you see the same requirements. It's a minimum of first degree, second class lower, or HND for PGD in a related field. Then 5 O-level credits again, including English and mathematics. So these are the basic requirements. Then additional requirement might apply depending on the program. So we still have our faculties by the left. So let's say under the Faculty of Sciences. Under the Faculty of Sciences, let's see, there are 2 programs there. We have PGD, Information Technology, and MSc, Information Technology. Which one do you want to apply? So let's say we want to go for PGD. You come here, you go to your PGD. See, the requirements are still not available until you click on that PGD. Click on View Requirements. Look at that. You are required to possess this at O level. At the beginning already, you are told that you need first degree or HND. For this PGD, you need HND. And then for MSc, click on this. That's it. View requirements. That's it. Look at that. MSc at the top here. You see MSc Information Technology. So that's how easy it is to view requirements for particular course. It's very easy. And if we go back to home, let's say we want to touch PhD. PhD is a little bit, you can click on it directly from here or from here and enable it to the same location. Look at this. See, the procedures are very clear here. Fill this form. This form here at the center. Fill this form. And then take the form after printing it and making your payments like other ones. Because it is at the moment you click apply, that is when you will now be given a remitter number. That's how you generate your remitter and the unique ID. And then you go to the bank, make the payment into the remitter, then you come back here and click the link for continue after payment. That will be demonstrated in another lesson. This one is just to view requirements for admission. That's what you're watching. So these are the programs that we have for PhD currently. And now we have PhD in mathematics, business administration, public administration. So you have to come here and click and pick one of the PhD programs, educational planning, education administration, and all that. So you have to click on any of them, fill the form properly, and then click apply. That's why it continues. So the requirement is a candidate must possess a good master's degree in a relevant discipline. That's the requirement for this PhD. It's a general requirement, or any recognized university by the Senate of NOUN with a CGPA cumulative grade point average not below 4.0 on a 5-point scale. Some departments may seek higher CGPA, while all PhD candidates will be subjected to oral and written interview.